Are you struggling to get your website noticed by search engines? In this video, I will show you how to optimize your title, meta description, and URL to greatly improve your website's online visibility and get organic traffic to your website. Hello friends, this is Om Prakash. Welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the title. Your title is the first thing people see when they search for something online. What is a title tag? A title tag is an HTML element that sets a web page title which is seen in browser tabs and search results. Optimizing your website's title tags is essential for improving SEO performance and click-through rates to your site. As in the case, as you can see, this is the title tag, and the HTML code of title tag is angle bracket title, then close. This is you can write the title there, like this is my title, and then angle bracket slash then title. Then you can see, if you see on use source code by just simply typing Control U. As you can see, here is the title tag. This is the title tag with title between the angle brackets, and here the close angle brackets. These are the, and in between you can write the your title tag. And remember to keep the title tag under 50 to 60 characters so that words won't get cut off on desktop or mobile search. Why are title tags important? Title tags are the Google ranking factor. Google uses your title tag to get an idea of what's on your page and how relevant your content is to the user search query. Title tag also tell browsers how to display your page title in three key places: search results, browser tabs, and social media. Title tag appears in search results, as in this case, this is search results. These are the clickable links. These are all title tags. And good titles improve the user experience and encourage more clicks. Because of this, your page title should act as a headline and entice users to click on your results. Title tags appear in browser tabs, as in the case, as you can see here, this is a title tag on the browsers. These are all the titles. Title tag tells a browser how to display the page title in tabs. This helps users navigate to the correct pages when they have multiple tabs open. Title tags appear on social media. Title tags determine how a link appears when shared on a social media. As you can see in this case, this is the title tag. The title provides important context to the social media post. If the title tag is missing or inaccurate, the other elements of the post might not make sense. And lastly, the tips for first one is aim for between 50 to 60 characters. And second one is it needs to be concise, accurate, and relevant to your content. And include your brand name. Target on one primary keyword. Give unique titles for every page of your website. Use keywords that reflect the main topic of your page. Optimize your title for your customers. And now let's move on to the meta description. This is a brief summary of your web page displayed in search results. As you can see, this is the meta description. This is meta description. You should aim for between 150 to 160 characters to maximize visibility. And let us see some examples for meta description as per Google. Here you can see this is a list of keywords. In this, there are all the list of keywords. This is a bad example of meta description. Here it explains everything. Get everything you need to see your next garment. Open Monday to Friday 8 to 5 p.m. located. This is good example, better. And next is same description used for every news title, news article. You should not use that. You should not use the same description for every web page. You should use unique meta descriptions or meta titles for each and every page. And here, this is a better example. And here you can see you should summarize the whole page, as in this case. Learn how to cook eggs with this complete guide in 1 hour or less. Here, it is not summarizing about the. This is a bad example. Like eggs are source of enjoy in everyone's life and like that. And here it is too short. This is also a bad example. And it should be specific and detailed, as in this case. And lastly, the tips for optimizing meta description are: first one is aim for between 150 to 160 characters. Include relevant and targeted keywords. Use call to action words like buy now, call now, okay, book now, like that. Write unique meta description for every web page of your website. Next, we have the URL. What is a URL? A URL, known as Uniform Resource Locator, is the web address of an internet resource like a web page. URLs are important because they help users access the web page they want to view. Plus, if you're doing SEO, they can help you set up your website for SEO success by providing information to search engines about the content and the purpose of your web page, so they can rank it appropriately. And for the tips, our first tip is for optimizing URL is keep it short, descriptive, and easy to read. Google says your URL slug should describe the content of the page because it helps the search engine understand what the page is about and rank it appropriately. As in this case, first one is your website.com/page ID with some number equal to some. This is the bad example. You should use very short descriptive, like in second one is blog, and about the next article is how SEO works. And second tip is use hyphens to separate words. Google recommends using hyphens to separate words in your URL slug instead of underscores. They are a standard way of separating words in a URL. First case, here how SEO works, they are using underscore. This is a bad example. Bad URL slug. We have to use the hyphens as in the second one. This is good one. And the third tip is use subfolders to organize your content. Use subfolders that logically organize your content and make it easy for users to know where they are on the website. This is important from a user experience point of view. Your subfolders should indicate the type of content found at that URL. This will also help Google understand your content better. As in the first example, you're using your website.com/folder1, and next one is how SEO works. It should be very it should be organized manner like blog. First, as in the case of blog, and next is how the article, how SEO works. Or you can use the product, and then slash about that product. It's about sneakers, or any product of you. And fourth one is use lowercase characters. URLs are case sensitive, and if you have a particular URL in both lowercase and uppercase, it can create duplicate content issues on your site. Plus, lowercase URLs make it easier for users to type the URL correctly. URLs that mix uppercase and lowercase can lead to errors when typing in the URL. And the first one is, as you can see, this is a bad URL slug. As how SEO works, you're using the first letter, capital letter. You should use all small letters, as in the second case. That's a good one. Next one is make it short. Long URLs are harder to read for users, and Google often truncates long URLs in search results. So try to keep your slugs within 5 words. As in the first one is good one, that is simply how SEO tips, and next one is more words like 10 SEO tips to boost your organic rankings traffic. So you should avoid using irrelevant numbers or special characters that may confuse both search engines and users. A clean and well structured URL not only helps search engines understand your page but also makes it more user friendly. Remember, the title, meta description, and URL are vital elements for improving your website's online visibility and getting organic traffic. By optimizing them with relevant keywords, your website will have a better chance of ranking higher and attracting more uh, organic traffic that will leading to getting leads or conversions or getting calls. Thanks for watching this ultimate guide on mastering SEO for title, meta description, and URL optimization. We hope these tips will help you improve your website's SEO performance. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable insights and tips. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.